Building rich, deeply engaging augmented reality experiences requires powerful tools. Unity provides developers like you with an end-to-end creation platform to write and share immersive AR apps across devices, so you can focus on pushing the boundaries of your imagination and less time debugging. And with Google's Geospatial Creator leveraging the power of ARCore, Google Maps platform, and Unity, it's even easier to build world-scale AR experiences in over 49 countries. To get started, download ARCore extensions and Geospatial Creator to get access to Geospatial Creator. Next, select the location you want to augment. You can fly through your location in 3D and visualize your projects with photorealistic 3D tiles. From there, the possibilities are endless. Just start adding anchors to your location. Then load a mobile client with your geospatial capabilities. It's never been easier to create rich world-scale location-based AR experiences. Transform the way people play, shop, learn, create, and experience the world together with Google's Geospatial Creator powered by ARCore and Google Maps platform. We can't wait to see what you build. Get started today.